Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana, as we continue our 2021 Zoomers Virtual RV Show. Today we're looking at family campers. This is the 2021 Salem 34MBS. This is a 38-foot, 8-inch travel trailer weighing just over 8,500 pounds. Let's take a look at this aerodynamic profile here. So this was designed to make it easier for your tow vehicle to tow it, so it wouldn't fight the wind as much. Now you can't see it, but this camper does in fact have a one-piece walkable roof. So even though you can't see it now, when you need it, you'll be glad that you have it. We have two awnings. You can see this beautiful LED light strip. We also have two outdoor speakers with blue LED lights. We have our step above motorized steps. So these are very solid, triple step, easy to get in and out. These legs adjust independently of each other, which is great if you're on uneven ground, which does happen when you're camping. As you can see, it's very easy to put in. You just shut the door, and it is also very easy to pull out. You just take the handle and you bring it down. We of course have this grab bar to help us in and out. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside this 34MBS. I really enjoy this mid-bunk profile more than I enjoy a lot of other mid-bunks, but we'll discuss that later. We have opposing slides in the rear living area. Each slide has this accent lighting, this indirect light. Gives it a good feel and also provides you with low light options if you would like. Here we have our Versa lounge and panoramic windows. This table, of course, folds down to create another sleeping area. You can move this piece over to extend the dinette, or you can just use this as an L-shaped couch. You'll notice that we have storage underneath. So we have 3 bins underneath this couch. And we have 1 bin on each side of the dinette, which is really great when you have kids and you can compartmentalize all the stuff you bring when you're camping. This couch, of course, folds down to create a bed, to create a different kind of lounge area. And if you like, we do have 2 reclining seats and an end table on each side. This back area does have more big, beautiful windows. We have an outlet right here for this person and an outlet right here for this person. You'll notice the gray stone LED fireplace that does give off heat. We have our sound bar. We have our TV hookup, and this does fit up to a 55-inch TV. And this kitchen island over here, we have some storage on the side, and of course storage underneath. You can see the storage underneath here. This is, of course, a 2-basin sink. We have our drying rack. Let's take a second and look at the pantry. So, ceiling to floor, very deep. The entire length of my arm. I had trouble touching the back there, so you can get an idea of just how much space you have. This does come pre-wired for Wi-Fi. So if that's an option you want to add, we are more than happy to help you. We have a Greystone microwave. Plenty of counter space. Storage overhead. This glass cover is flush with the counter, extending your workspace. And then, of course, we have our 3-burner cooktop, accent lighting, and Greystone oven. We have a 2-door Everchill refrigerator. And then if you look over here, there's more storage on this side of the kitchen island as well. Let's go ahead and look at the restroom and the front private. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to look at the mid-bunk, the restroom, and the front private bedroom. This 38-foot, 8-inch travel trailer really does have it all. So here we are in this nice mid-bunk room. It's actually decently wide. I can stand here with my arms fully extended and I don't touch both walls. It's also very deep. So here we have this entertainment center. So we have our TV hookups over here. We have this entertainment center, which is angled towards the bed and the couch. And we have storage underneath. If you look up here, we have a bunk. We have 2 one-touch lights, and we have a window. There are USB ports here and outlets here. So we have this couch, which of course is in good proximity to the TV. You'll notice that there is storage underneath the couch, which is great. And this couch also folds down to create a lounge or sleeping area. And that is really a good sized bunk. It's even bigger than this one. Now that we've looked at the bunkhouse, let's go ahead and look at the restroom and front private bedroom. So in the restroom, you'll see that we have our Dometic foot flush toilet. We have our stand-up shower with skylight. We have a linen closet. And then we have our mirror and sink. So here we are in the front private bedroom of the 34MBS. So a lot of people like to have the mid bunk so that they are closer to their children. With the larger 40-foot campers, if you have the private bedroom in the front and the bunkhouse in the back, you just feel like the kids are so far away. So that closeness is something that a lot of families prefer. So here we have a queen bed. We have an end table on either side of the queen bed. We have USB ports on each side. We also have hanging wardrobe on each side and overhead cabinetry. Don't forget that we do have storage underneath this queen bed. And we have these little cubbies that pull out. Storage underneath the bed is of course accessible from the outside. And a lot of times in campers you don't get closets. But here in this master bedroom we have a really full-size closet, a walk-in closet. You can hang wardrobes, you have a shelf. You're really not sacrificing space just because you're in a camper. We have TV hookups directly across from the bed. Great viewing angle, great for comfort and entertainment. So there you have it, the 34MBS, this mid-bunk travel trailer. It is great for families. If you like this camper, you can learn more online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.